What is the first step in your wash day routine?
Pre-poop.
Perfect! You're so right. Pre-poo is the first step in your wash day routine. So we are now going to do your pre-poo treatment. Okay?
Okay.
Are you ready to have long, clean hair?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, baby. Come sit here. We're going to be doing your pre-poo right here. To do Aurora pre-poo treatment, I'm going to be using this solution. I have it on my channel. If you love to see how to make it, I'll leave that video down in the description box for you. And then I will be using the Secret Growth oil on her. This is the only oil that I use on she and her sister. So this oil can be used on everyone. It's safe to be used on kids and all hair types. So to pre-poo her hair, I'm just going to first take this out. And then I will start to part her hair in smaller sections and do her pre-poo routine. Now, a pre-poo treatment is just a little treatment that you give your hair before going in with your shampoo. I'm done spraying the solution on her entire hair. I'm now just going to go in with the oil on her scalp. And then I will also apply some on her hair and massage that in. Now that I got Aurora pre-poo treatment on, I'm just going to cover her hair with a shower cap. And then I'll leave the treatment on for about 45 minutes. But while the treatment is on, I'm now going to prepare her deep condition treatment. Our first ingredient is my fresh aloe vera plant, which I plucked from my garden. Now, being I'm going to use this on my daughter here, or just to also just get the laxity off from your aloe vera plant, the yellow liquid. I love to just use regular water, and you can just soak it for like an hour or two, and all of that will get transferred into the water. So while we got our aloe vera in the water soaking, I'm now just going to cook our rice. Since I'm using it on Aurora here, and Aurora is only 3 years old, I'm only going to be cooking about 3 tablespoons of our white rice. I'm now just going to wash this, and then I will put this on the stove for it to cook until it's extremely soft. Our rice is ready. I'm just going to set it aside, let it cool down. So this is our aloe vera that we soaked, and this is how the water is looking. I'm now just going to rinse it for the second time, and then I will start to extract the aloe vera gel, and I will be using only the aloe vera gel in her deep condition treatment.
I'm making slime.
I'm making aloe vera gel for you here. For years, it is looking like slime.
It's gonna be slime.
Now, when I'm using the fresh aloe vera on my kids' hair, I use only the gel, but I do not throw the peeling away. I normally dry it, and blend it into aloe vera powder. Our rice have now cooled down, so I'm just going to transfer it into the blender. And then I will be adding our fresh aloe vera gel to it. And I'll also be adding in some honey for moisture. You ready for us to now go and shampoo your hair?
Yeah.
Your pre-poo been in for about 45 minutes now. When it comes to Aurora wash day, I don't like to prolong it because she gets tired very fast. 2 hours, 3 hours, that's all she's gonna give me. So I'm now just going to rinse her pre-poo treatment out and then go in with her shampoo. I'm done with Aurora pre-poo and her shampoo. I'm now just going to apply the treatment to her hair and her scalp. If you have any leftover of the treatment, you can store it in your fridge for up to 7 days. I haven't tried freezing it yet, so I can't really tell. But if that's an experiment you want to do and let me know, I will appreciate that. But the leftover treatment will be used on her sister hair because tomorrow is Sonia wash day. Can you see how amazingly this treatment got her hair looking? I can say this is far better than rice water. So I'm just going to leave the treatment on for 30 minutes and then after I will rinse it out and then I will just moisturize her hair. And after I rinse this treatment out, it left her hair feeling so soft. Her curls were also clumps as if to say she don't even have hair because this is how great that this treatment worked. So I hope you give it a try and come back and let me know how well it worked for you. You're doing a last check. Bring it all the way down. More. 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 Wow. You're doing a last check. More. Is there more hair in your hand? Let me see. Yes, there was more hair in your hand. Your hair is growing.
Mommy's standing up. Aurora sitting down. Says, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.